Hi guys, welcome to our forex trading live trading session. All right, so this is our money making session. Yeah, this is our money making session. And as usual, I have with me here my co-host Biodun. Biodun, please say hi to our viewers.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. It's nice to be here again. And as usual, if you have any question, please drop it in the chat box, and I'll be taking those questions. I'll be calling out those questions to be here to answer. Yeah.
All right, guys. So here, yeah, let's go into business sharp sharp. No more, you understand? Okay, so here I have Euro CHF. This is the European currency against the um Swiss franc. Okay, so I've already made this analysis down, and I'm just waiting for this market, you know, to roll back down to this area and give us an entry. Okay, so I was actually, hoping to give this to my premium members, but I just feel like make I just ginger everybody with they here. You understand? Make I just ginger everybody with they here. So this is a premium signal, guys. So this is the 15-minute time frame. This is going to take at least a while before it gets to this point, okay, before the market gets triggered. So for the meantime, let's just move around as usual. Yes, you understand? So if you have any suggestions, guys, please let me know. Let me know. Okay. You see, yesterday was fun. I had suggestions instead of only me, roaming about this the market looking for opportunities. If you have any suggestions, any market, a specific one you want me to make analysis on, let me know, and I'll go there and make the analysis. Okay. I'll make the analysis for us live here, and we're not just looking to make money from it. We are also learning. Okay, so everything I'm doing here is also part of educating you guys on how you can make your own analysis. Okay, so guys, let's go on. Let's go on. Let's go on. No time to play. All right. So this is the AUDCAD. This is AUDCAD. Yeah, I think I took this trade about a week ago, but it never got triggered. Okay, so it didn't get triggered until it took out the entry point. All right. Um, so that is a previous trade. Okay, so let me just delete all of these and make a fresh analysis. Let's make a new analysis. All right. So currently, this is what we have on the 4-hour time frame. All right. So remember what I said? I said I don't go too far. Okay. I don't want to start looking at the previous market, what has been going on. I don't care about those ones. Okay. What is happening around this area can actually give us an opportunity. Okay. This is a resistance area. So when this market gets to this point right now, the market can you know turn back immediately and start going down. So it doesn't matter if you start drawing your trend lines from daily, making all sort of long market analysis. It doesn't matter. Okay. If you go still lose, you go still lose. You understand? Okay. So let's do this. Let's do this. This is an upper trend line. All right. That is an upper trend line, and this is my lower trend line. So this is what I'm currently looking at. Okay. I have this break of structure to the downside, another break of structure to this downside, giving me the confirmation that this is a downtrend market. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame, and then moving to the lower time frame, the 1-hour time frame. Okay, so um, I'm not getting a proper support and resistance around this area. Though I have this. Okay, I have this. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to another lower time frame. All right. So you see, the market is currently on my trend line and my resistance zone. Okay, it's currently on my trend line and resistance zone. So let me see what happened here. Okay, whatever happened here uh, will be our decision. Okay, so whatever happens here is going to be our decision making. This is where we are going to make the decisions from. Okay, so I want a close of this candle. I want to see something, either a rejection candle. Okay, yeah, this is a bit of it. This is part of a rejection candle. Okay, it looks like a doji, a small body with wicks. Okay, though it's not a proper rejection candle. So I'll wait for the closure of this current candle, and then wait for the second one also. Okay, so I want to see something like this that will keep coming down without breaking this high. Okay, so when we get that, we enter for a sell on AUDCAD. Okay, so the closure of this candle, okay, this will get the candle will finish in 30 seconds. So we'll get the next closure, the next candle open for 5 minutes. So this is the 5 minute time frame. All right. Okay. So let's just stay on the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Let's stay on the 15-minute time frame. This can give us a proper rejection. All right. So most of the times, it depends on the time frame you are looking at the market on. Okay. So sometimes the rejection will start on the 15 minutes. You get it earlier on the 15 minutes. Sometimes it will be on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so that is why it is very good as a market, as a forex trader. You want to check all of your other time frames to get a proper entry. Okay, so don't just go to the lower time frame just because I said when you make your analysis on the 4 hour time frame, you go to the lower time frame to take an entry. All right. So you want to make sure that you are checking other time frames also. Okay. So because sometimes there will be informations lying on other time frames. Okay. So most of the time you will not see it on the time frame you are currently on. So if you go to other time frame, then you'll be able to see what is happening. Okay. The current candle, what is it printing? All right. Okay. Okay. So this is a good rejection. I have this. That is a good rejection. So let's wait for 4 more minutes. Okay, 4 more minutes to see what happens. Let's wait for 4 more minutes to see what happens, and then maybe we can take a sell entry right here. So this is going to be a scalping trade. Okay, we are not going too long. This is going to be a scalping trade. So we are not going too long. If this takes us out, it's going to be a small loss. Okay. So let's just wait for the 15-minute candle to finish closing. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So 2 minutes more to the close of this current candle, the current printing candle. So you see, this is a candle pattern on the 15-minute time frame. Okay. The 15-minute time frame is about to give us a reversal candle pattern. Okay. So if it closes below this, then um, that's a bearish engulfing candle. Okay. So if we get a close of this candle, a full body close below this recent previous week, okay, that is a bearish engulfing candle. Then we can enter our sell position immediately. All right. We can take a sell position on the 50%. All right. Wow. Okay. Okay. We are not moved by the market. Okay. We are not moved. It's going to come back here to trigger. Okay. So the market is currently moving and it's leaving a lot of space. Okay. So this is our entry. All right. All right. So guys, go to your chart and open AUDCAD. AUDCAD. Go to your BtcDana trading application and open to AUDCAD. Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. So immediately we get a tag here. Immediately we get the tag. Okay, we are selling. Guys, AUDCAD. AUDCAD. Immediately we get a tag here. We are selling instantly. Guys, open your chart to AUDCAD. And if you haven't funded the account, you still have the time to fund now. Okay? If you have a low balance, you still have the time to fund. Guys, go and fund the account. Okay? Go and fund the account and come and make money with us. And if you want to fund, make sure you are funding up to $15. All right? Make sure you are funding up to $15 so that you'll be qualified to join my premium group. Okay? So on the premium group, the benefit of joining is you get premium signals every day. Okay? Signals you use to make money, good money. Okay? I'll be providing signals you'll be making dollars with. Dollars, not naira or dollars. Okay? Just $15 to get you into the premium group. And if you want to fund your account right now, all you have to do is just go to the chat room. Okay? The funding, make sure it is done on this live stream. All right? So if you want to do that now, go to the chat room. Okay? You see a banner at the top of the chat room. Click on that banner. A banner where deposit with benefit is written on. So click on that banner and it will take you to where you can make your funding. Okay? So we are still waiting for this market. Go and fund your account and come and join this trade. All right? Go fund your account and come and join this trade. The other one, the other analysis I showed you guys earlier, I'm going to be sending that one to the premium group. Okay? So fund the account with at least $15 and get the chance to place that trade also. Okay? That is a premium trade, I'm telling you guys. So we are waiting for this market to make the retracement back here. Okay? You see, we couldn't get this trade. We couldn't place this trade from here because we were waiting on confirmation. Okay, you know I told you rejection can do matters. Okay, candle formation matters a lot. Okay, you want to get a proper rejection candle before you can take any trade. It's very important. Okay, you don't just jump into any trade just because you already draw your trend line, support or resistance. Okay, you want to make sure that the candle formation is confirming the reversal of the trend. Okay, and all of this requires patience. All of this requires patience. So guys, let's just be patient for this to come back into our box, and then we take a sell entry. All right, we take a sell entry immediately. So this is going to be a scalping trade. Immediately we get that entry, we are just going to set a stop loss. All right, and then we'll be waiting to start making profit. Immediately we start making profit, we are closing trades. Okay, so guys, there's going to be an FOMC news coming around 7 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so it falls within the time of our evening session. All right, I will advise you all to be present on that evening session, because there I will be taking advantage of the news. Okay, the FOMC news. All right, we will be trading gold together on the evening session. So guys, please, you don't want to miss that. It's very important. Okay, it's very important. It's an important day for all forex traders. All right, anytime we have a major event happening in the forex market, such day is always an important day for all forex traders. Okay, so if you haven't fund your account, and come along with your account in the evening session. Okay, so let's not just waste our time here. Let's look for other trade. Okay, let's look for other trade. This is AUDCAD. Guys, please remind me to always go back to AUDCAD. Okay, I don't want us to miss this entry. Remind me to always check AUDCAD. We are all in this together. I make money, you make money. That is it. All right. So let's look for other trade setups. Let's make other analysis. Let's make other analysis. So this is an uptrend market. This is an uptrend market. See, we have this previous high that got broken. Okay. We have that previous high that got broken to the top side. So we have this also. All right. So this is an uptrend market. This is an uptrend market. This is a buying market, guys. Okay. You see how my channels aligns, with the trend of the market. Okay. So guys, when you're drawing your own trend line, make sure it's touching at least 2 points. Okay, 2 market points. So this is point one and this is point two. Okay, so I'm waiting for this market to either come here for me to sell or to come here for me to get a buy opportunity. All right. So forex trading is all about patience. All right, forex trading is all about patience. To make money, you need to be very, very careful here in forex trading. Right. Okay, so let me go to the lower time frame and see if that entry would get triggered. All right, so it's a beautiful entry. Okay, it's a beautiful entry. Okay, this is a beautiful entry. This is the 1 hour time frame, the 30-minute time frame. So let me check on my AUDCAD. You guys are not even reminding me of my trade. Let me go check on that and see if I get a tag for my entry position. Okay. Just a little bit more time, all right? Let's just give AUDCAD the benefit of doubt. So let's continue making other analysis. Okay, so we've made analysis for AUDCHF. Or nope. Okay, yes. We made the analysis for AUDCHF. Okay. So we are waiting for this to get to this point. Okay. So even though this doesn't get to this area before the end of our session, you can keep an eye out for AUDCHF. Okay. So you can keep an eye out for it, and when it gets here, you want to look for an entry. Okay, maybe a rejection candle, stuff like that. You understand? A rejection candle, bullish engulfing, candle formations. All right. So let me go back to my AUDCAD and take a look at what is going on. What is going on here in Mr. Macaroni's voice? Okay, so I'm still not getting tagged in. I'm still not getting tagged in yet. This is our entry point. Okay. So immediately this moves all the way to this area, we start selling. All right. And you see our stop loss is not far behind. So let's look for other trade. Okay. Let's not wait on just a particular setup. So we have two setup already. Okay. This we are waiting for it to get here. Oh wow, this is beautiful. You see, I made this analysis and I forgot to take it. Okay. I think this is an analysis from a few days ago. Yes. So it triggered the entry and the market came all the way down to my take profit. Okay. You see, this is the issues I have with forgetting my analysis. So most of the time, I'll make analysis, beautiful setups, and I'll just forget to go back to it. Okay. This is a beautiful setup. We could have taken an entry on if we saw this earlier. Okay. So assuming we saw this earlier, this is a beautiful setup. Okay. So the current trend here is an uptrend. Okay. The current trend is still on uptrend. Okay. You see what I said about getting opportunities? Opportunities can come from anywhere. It doesn't matter if you are on the 30-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame. Okay. This is the 4-hour time frame. And the 4-hour time frame is telling us that is going up. Okay. That the trend is an uptrend, it's going up. But look at the 1-hour time frame. You see, the 1-hour time frame made this little movement. Okay. So this is the kind of setups that cause confusions for forex traders. All right. Maybe you are not checking your other time frames well, and then you start taking sell setups instead of buy setups, or buy setups instead of sell setups. Right. So see, now that we know that the overall trend for the AUD NZD is an uptrend, we want to be careful with whatever we are doing here. Okay, we want to be careful with whatever it is that we are doing here. So if you are selling, don't sell for too long. Right? You can go long on buy. Okay, you can stay in the market for long if you are buying, because that is the overall trend direction, uptrend. Okay. But if you are saying, okay, let me check on my AUDC AD, since you guys has refused to remind me. Oh boy. Beautiful setup missed. You see? Beautiful setup missed. Beautiful setup missed. Guys, you see? This is a beautiful setup that we just missed. Our entry could have been from here, but we didn't get that confirmation from this candle. Okay? We didn't get that confirmation from this candle, even though the market was, on our trend line. I wanted to see something like this. Okay, a small body with a very long wick. Okay, but instead I got this. All right. Okay. So let's just continue with our analysis. This can still go back up to trigger our entry. All right. So this is the AUD JPY, the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. Let me delete all of this rubbish in front of it. Okay, so currently what we are seeing here is an uptrend. Okay, an uptrend that the market is going up.
Hello, Leo.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry. Somebody is making a suggestion
Okay.
on gold.
Okay. Okay. Gold. Okay.
I
Let's
can't
check
pronounce
on
his
gold.
name, but Ubekendu.
Yeah, it's all right. It's all right. Okay, so let's check on gold and see what is going on there. I think I made analysis on gold this morning. Yes. Yeah, I did made an analysis. I made this analysis and the market is still respecting my resistance zone. All right. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. You see, I don't like this kind of markets where we have a lot of candles. Okay. This is a consolidation phase. Okay, taking entries from such zone is always very dangerous. I'm not saying entries can be taken, but it's not okay. So let's have this, right? Let's have this resistance zone here. So let's have that resistance zone there. Since the market already passed my speculated entry, let's just remove those lines, right? So our concentration now is this point of interest, okay? Our resistance area. So let's see if the market is going to make a retest here, and then we can ride along with the sell trend. Okay. All right. Guys, if we are going to take this entry, please let me warn you all. Okay. So sorry about that. Um, the XAUUSD, which is the gold trade, the gold pair is a very volatile pair. Okay. So what I mean by volatile is when you are losing, you are going to lose much, but when you are making profit, you are going to make a lot of it. Okay, because it moves very fast. Okay, it's very volatile because it moves very fast. Unlike the currency pairs, right? So here, if we are going to be taking this trade, make sure you are using the lowest lot size. Okay, and if you have a small account balance, please, please make sure you are taking just a position. Do not open multiple positions. Okay, because I know most of us we like taking multiple positions. Right? We like opening multiple positions with the intention of making fast money. Okay, so forex trading is not as easy as you think. Forex trading requires patience. It requires discipline. All right. Before you can start making money here, you want to have a strategy, and then you want to have a strategy you never go against. If you have a strategy and you are going against your strategy, damn, that is going to be um how do I say this? Is it fire on the mountain? So guys, please. So the gold is currently on our resistance zone. Okay. So guys, this is a beautiful suggestion. For you that made this suggestion, thank you very much. It's a beautiful suggestion, okay? And it's currently on our resistance zone. It's currently on our resistance zone. So we are currently waiting for a confirmation candle before we can start selling. So these are sell zones, okay, sell areas. So what I'm currently waiting on here is I want to see a rejection down to this area. Okay, I don't want this candle to close to close, above this. Okay, so if it violates this line here, my resistance line, then we just move away from this setup, right? So, but currently it's trading inside the box. So let's just wait and see what happens next. Right? Oh, you see, the market actually came back up, made a move to our entry, but we still get there. We didn't get tagged in, right? So I'll just be going back to check on that. Okay, okay, okay. So we are getting the rejection. We are getting the rejection. We are getting the beautiful rejection. Guys, get your account ready. Get your account ready. XAUUSD gold. So we are getting a beautiful rejection here. We want to see a close of this current candle below here. Okay, we want to see a close below this line. Okay, below this black line. I want to see a candle close below this black line. Guys, go and get your account ready. So you see, this is why it's very important to always wait for confirmations. Do not take trades blindly. Okay, see what is happening on the gold. Okay, so a lot of traders would have taken a sell entry, you know, when this got into their box. Okay, but I love waiting for confirmations before I take any entry. So right now, you see what is going on. The market is still going up. So I'm sure this gold currency right now, this gold pair, must have taken some traders, it must have taken them out of the market right now. Okay, you see, it took out where we would have set our stop loss, and it's still going up. You see, so this is a failed setup. Okay, this is a failed setup. You see, it broke out. It broke out. We don't want a market that will break out. All right. So let's look for other pairs. Let's look on other pairs. Let's look for other opportunities on other pairs. So the BTC USDT is still on the bullish move. Okay, in the 4-hour time frame, it's still making a bullish move to the upside. All right. Guys, when you are drawing your trend line, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay? Your trend line doesn't have to be perfect. All right? The most important thing is you know the direction of your market. You know where the market would go. Okay? So I don't have a perfect trend line, but I'm waiting for this market to make a reversal here and give me a proper entry. Okay? So this is a proper entry point for a buy, because on the 4-hour time frame, we have this. We have that. We have this also, right? So after all of this now, what you want to wait for is you want to wait for this market to get here, right? So you make your decision from whatever happens here. This is the BTC USDT, all right? So if you are a crypto lover, if you love trading the cryptocurrencies, this is a good analysis, all right? This is BTC USDT analysis. So you can just take a screenshot of this and make same analysis on your own chart, all right? Then you can take this entry when the market gets to this area, all right? You can take a buy entry from this. You see, this is aligning with our trend line, all right? And then we have this gap that is aligning with the trend line also, all right? So this is a beautiful setup. I think I should actually give this to my premium members when the market gets to this point, okay? So you see, this is what I do for my premium members. I'll be the one making the analysis and looking for proper setups, okay? If you know you can do this yourself, suit yourself. But I'll keep advising you guys. I'll keep saying my own. Come and join my premium group. Come and make money. Come and see what is going on in the premium group. All right. So you see what is going on with the trade, with the XAU USD gold trade. You see, the market is still going up. I don't know why this is currently happening right now because we have the FOMC coming around 7 p.m. We have the FOMC coming around 7 p.m. Okay, so this is a beautiful charge to the top side. Okay, what this means is that the buyers has taken over. Okay, the sellers were previously here. Okay, there were so many sellers here. They were waiting for this market to get to this point, and then they start selling immediately. But look what happened. The buy charged them. Okay, took them out and start buying. All right. So let's continue with our analysis and wait for a proper setup. Okay. 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 So this is a setup I sent to my premium members yesterday. Okay. You see. So this was our entry point, and our market hit TP. Right. Just came down immediately and gave us this TP immediately. So let me show you guys the trade. I think I have the trade here. I have the trade. Let me show you the trade. Okay. Let me show you the trade. How we were able to, profit from this setup. Okay. Let me show you the profit we made from this setup. Because I don't want this to be like, see this guy in the wine us. I'm not whining anybody here. Okay. So let me just share that. Where is this? Where is this? Okay. Okay. I hope you guys can see this. This is USDCHF. Okay. So this is the trade from last night. Okay. Yesterday. You see, this is the open time, right? This is around 8, around 9 p.m. See, this is the profit I made from the trade. Okay. You see, this is why I keep telling you guys to come and join my premium group. All right. This is why I keep telling you guys to come and join my premium group. You see, this is $9, $9, $9. Guys, stop playing, stop playing. You see this? Ah, now my weekend money be that. So let's continue with our analysis. Come and join my premium group. You say no, no worry. By the time you see other members showing you their withdrawals, okay, when they start sending their the pictures of their withdrawals on the group, that is when you start doing, if I know I should have entered, I should have joined this premium group. Oh, when this guy has been saying it, guys, now is the time. Come and join the premium group. Come and make money with us. Okay. the entry positions we can get on this live stream is very limited. Okay, our entry positions are very limited because the market doesn't wait for anybody. Okay, the market will just keep moving. It will keep moving. All right. So we just the 1 hour session we make here every day doesn't guarantee getting positions all the time. Okay. You see, yesterday we had to place a sell limit. All right. Day before yesterday also we had to place a pending order. All right. That is because I don't want you guys to go home handy. I want to make sure that we get it set up before the end of our session. All right. But if you are on the premium group, you don't even need to wait for just the session alone. Okay. I'll be sending signals back to back. I'll be sending signals from morning till evening. Okay. You get at least 3 signals in a day. At least 3 in a day. So imagine 3 profitable signals in a day. Imagine $99 in 3 places. All right. Guys, go and fund your account. All right. And if you want to fund your account, if you are interested in funding your account right now, you have to do it on this live session. Okay, it has to be on this live session. And if you want to do that now, just go to the chat room, click on that banner. Okay, that banner where deposit with benefits is written on, click on it, and it will take you straight to where you can make your deposit. Okay, so follow the procedures. An account details will be generated for you. All right, send the equivalent of the dollar you entered, the amount in dollar you entered, send the equivalent in naira. You see the equivalent there, okay? And make sure it's $15. If you fund below $15, guys, hey, you no go get qualified though. You understand, ba? Fund at least $15. Okay, so this is what is currently happening on the NZDCAD. So we already have this. Um, since we have this kind of breakout right now, the next thing you want to wait for is you want to wait to see if this will continue to the upside. Then you go along with the trend, with the buy trend, or if this is going to come back into this zone. Okay, so let me zoom in. Let me zoom in so that you can see that clearly. All right. So if this goes above these lines, then you can look for a buy opportunity. All right. But if it comes below here, then we can open, you can look out for a sell opportunity. Okay, guys, don't worry. Even though we are not able to get an entry on our live afternoon live session, don't worry. We have another session coming around in the evening, and as I've said earlier, we have an FOMC news coming around. We can get an entry there. Okay, because we will be using that opportunity. All right, after the collation of their own data. That is how we know if the market, if the US dollar is going to be weakened or it will be stronger. Okay, so if it gets weakens, we sell. If it goes stronger, we buy. All right. So this is a good setup. Also, this is a good setup. This is a good setup, and I'll be looking out for this for my premium members. Okay. I'll be looking out on NZDCAD for my premium members. Okay. So if you want me to look this out for you also, come and join my premium membership. I'm not even asking you to pay for it. Okay. Other platforms, other mentors will tell you to go and bring money before they can add you into their premium group. Okay. Here on my own platform, you are not paying shishi. You're not paying a dime. Okay? All that is required is for you to fund your account, your trading account. The money you are funding is not even for me. Okay? It's not as if I'm taking commission from whatever it is that you are funding. Whatever you fund is your money. Okay? You open position with whatever it is that you fund on your account. So if you fund $15 right now, you get the benefit of joining my premium group. Okay? And the money, you still grow it. We grow it together. I give you signal, and you grow your money with the $15. You grow your $15 to whatever it is that you are able to grow it to. Okay, so maybe by weekend you can just make a withdrawal, and go and enjoy your life. You understand? So this is a beautiful setup, also, guys. This is a beautiful setup, all right? This is a beautiful setup, but you want to wait for a breakout. Okay, this is a place, this is a price point where the market will start going up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, so it will start creating a consolidation phase around here. That is why it is important that you wait for this market to either break this to the top side or break this below, enter this box again. All right, so whichever one happens, you can take a position based on that direction. Okay, so, guys, if you have any question, I think we have just a minute to end this live session. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me. Okay, myself and Biodun will be here. We are here to answer whatever question or inquiries you have. Okay. Okay. So, Biodun, do you have anything you want to say to them before we end this live session?
Okay, at the moment, there is actually no question from the traders, but I would
Okay.
advise that if you are not yet a premium member, kindly join a premium member so that you can get at least 2 to 3 signals daily. We also provide daily analysis, and if you don't know how to trade, you can always send us a message on Telegram. I'll be happy to put you through on how to trade on the condition that you are one of the premium members. Even if Leo is not there, I'm always there to help you learn how to trade. Then you can also join the evening class by 7 p.m. The class is more softened than this particular one. They will be teaching you the basics of trading and every concept being used in this class. Then, if you also want to have one-on-one class with Leo, you can always make a $200 at least, $200 deposit to join his personal class where he will be teaching you smart money concepts on how to trade. This is a concept the banks use in trading, and they are really making profit. I'm using that concept too, and I'm making huge profit from it. And I want you to also join. Now, the money is your own. It's not, you are not paying to us, it's in your account. And when you are making your profit, you can easily withdraw at any time. So I'll see you in the evening. The banner is still there. If you need to make a deposit, you can use the banner to make a deposit so that we can add you to the premium group. I'll see you in the evening.
All right. Thank you, Biodun. Thanks for that. When I don't hear, see, it's very important you join the premium group. Okay, it's not for me, it's for you, it's for your own good. Okay, you are there, you make money. All right. So, guys, please fund your account and come to the evening session. Like I said, we have an FOMC news coming around in the evening session, so we will be placing trade on that evening session. All right. So, guys, I'll see you in the evening. Bye for now. Bye, Biodun.
Yeah. Yeah.